Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Betia e-learning class of English Standard 2. Students, today I am here to teach you chapter 5 of your English textbook Gulmohar, which is titled Nani Walks to the Park. Children, in this chapter, we will see grandmother and her grandson going for a walk to the park. Children, you all have seen the park. What are the things to see you? You see people run, walking. You see little children enjoy in the seesaw. So, we all love going to the park. I think you also love to going the park. Now we will start the chapter and we will see what other places Nani and her grandson visit. Let's start the chapter. Once a week Nani goes to the park. Today Vikas wants to go with her. Children, do you know who is Nani? Nani is a mother of your mother and you called her Nani. Here Vikas is Nani's grandson and he also wants to go to the park with Nani. So here I walk slowly. I take my time to get there, say Nani. I don't mind Nani, says Vikas. Okay, let's go, says Nani. She picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. But Nani, says Vikas, the park is this way. We will go that way, says Nani. Pointing ahead, let's go through the lane of tracers. The lane of tracers. What a wonderful name for the market. The shop here sell everything. Nani stops to buy milk and other things. So, Nani used to go to park once a week. Once a week means is in full week she goes only one day. Today Vikas is also going with her. Nani is old, so she cannot walk fast. She uses a lot of time to do something without Vikas. And you know, the old people are weak, so they take too much time to do anything. Vikas does not any problem with it. When Vikas says that Nani is taking some other way, he reminds Nani that the park is not in this way. Nani tells him that they will go through lane of tracers. There is a tracer. It is a wonderful name and what because she is in that particular street. There are many shops. They can purchase anything from there. That's why Nani has given this name to the particular street. Nani stops to buy milk and other things from there. When Nani finishes shopping, Vikas points to a gate. Shall we take a shortcut to the park, Nani? No, smile Nani. We have to go through the lane of happiness first. So they walk ahead and turn left into a small lane. Nani stops and calls softly, come, come. Suddenly, dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. Nani pours the milk into some bowls. Vikas laughs as the animals lick their bowls clean. So, when Nani finishes shopping, Vikas showing a shortcut to the park, but Nani says that they will go to the lane of happiness first. So, what is the lane of happiness? It is the place where Nani goes and she calls some dogs and cats there. When they listen the sound come come, they roar out from all directions. Then Nani pours the milk into bowls and cats lick the bowls clean. This make Vikas happy. That's why she has given this name Lane of Happiness to the particular street. Then Nani and Vikas walks through a lane behind a little school. They see many children laughing and playing. They are playing games like Langdi, Langori, and Sakhli. Is this the lane of noise? Asked Vikas, covering his ears. No, it's the lane of mischief. It makes me think of you and your friends, laughs Nani. So here, after that, they moves towards some other lane and there Vikas finds many children walked, playing and laughing. The lane was behind the school and there the children are playing games like Langri, Langori and Sakhli and they was making noise. So Vikas asked his nanny, she has given this name lane of noise of that particular street. Nani says no. There she is given the name the lane of mischief of the particular street. Why she has given this name? Because the naughty children are playing there at that makes Nani thinks of Vikas and his friend. Now, next paragraph. Have you named all the lanes in the city? Nani asked Vikas. Not all, smiled Nani. Only the ones that are important to me. Come, let's go to the lane of friendship. Nani's friend lives in the lane of friendship. They were girls together and they have grown old together. Nani and her friend talk and laugh for some time. Then Nani hugs her friend and says goodbye. So here, in the way Vikas asked Nani that she has given name to all lanes in the city, and Nani tells him no, only of that is where she goes and that are important to Nani. Now Nani has taken because to the lane of friendship. Why she has given this name to that particular street? Because her childhood friend is there. They wait there, they talk there. After that, Nani hugs her friend and says goodbye. Now, come Vikas, we will now walk through the lane of dreams, says Nani. The lane of dreams has more books than Vikas' school library. The bookseller sells old books for very little money. Nani buys some books and says, let's go. We are almost at the park now. So here in this paragraph, then Nani and Vikas moves towards to Lane of Dreams. Lane of Dreams Street where a library is there and that particular library was bigger than the Vikas school library. There they find some old books of story and it costs very little money. Nani buys some book and tells Vikas that they are almost at the park now. So, what happened next paragraph? Nani and Vikas have to walk down the lane of magic to reach the park. Vikas looks up at the big shady trees and feels a cold breeze. Their road is covered in red and yellow flowers. It looks like a magic carpet. At last, they are at the park. Vikas thinks of all the people and places he has seen. I like your lanes, Nani, he says. Can I come with you next week too? So, at last, they reach the park and in the park, what they find? There are big shady tree. They find cold air there at the road is covered with red and yellow flowers and the road is looking like a magic carpet. In the park, Vikas thinks about all the people and the places. He loves all the things. So he decided to come to next week and he asked Nani that he come with her next week. So student, I hope you all understood the chapter. So today's homework is learn and write the word meaning of this chapter. Thank you.